Hello everyone, you are in Endurance Laser Lab. Today I want to tell you how you may improve your laser with a few easy steps. So first of all, this video is devoted to our existing customers who have 5.6, 8, 8.5 and 10 watt lasers. So this is a laser diode. It looks like this, brass or copper tube. Then it's inserted into a heatsink. So this is a doubled heatsink that is made like this. Some heatsinks, they are only glued with a special silicone pasta like this. Some of them are even very firmly connected like this with the M4 screw, and then you screw it here. So this makes better connection, and then this part is inserted into our aluminum cowling. So what we actually notice that it's good, but it's not perfect, and we can improve it and make laser more powerful, because less temperature we have, less power consumption we get, and more powerful unit is. So what we actually suggest is that you add another heatsink installed like this. So you have first heatsink like this, and you can insert it here. So the thing is that you need a press to make sure that you can press it in, because you need very firm, very good connection. So this laser diode consists of two parts. So this is a main part where diode is, and this is an additional part, but then you can, like I said, insert it like this. So after all, we suggest to you that you can add additional smaller heat sinks that you can actually cover and add it like this to your existing aluminum heat sink. So more you have, cooler the laser diode will be. So I bought different shapes like this, so you can cut them. You can get something like smaller and cut them as well. So maybe most of you will think that you can buy decent Chinese kit like this and insert your laser inside. So this is not a good construction, because when you insert the laser here, you see it has no connection. So it should be very it has to be very firm inside of here. So they have screws, but it doesn't help. Even if you use a glue and glue inside, this will not give you an ultimate result, because in a week or so this glue will lose its features, and it will not transform, actually will not cool your laser diode. So this is a big disadvantage. Another Chinese constructions like this, they are a little bit better, but they are painted, and as soon as they are painted, it's not good for heat distribution. So the laser will more likely be overheated. So this is 5,000 laser diode that was actually burned, and you cannot also install bigger fan here. So this is another big disadvantage. So I already made some improvements for my 10 watt laser. As you can see, I added second heatsink, and I glued smaller pieces like this. I even inserted a few over here, and one here. So at the end, I will insert it into my aluminum cowling, and that will do much better. Another heatsink was also improved like this, and it's also will do better job. For 8.5 and 8 watt lasers, looks like this. So I just glued one heatsink here and inserted a few smaller heat sinks over there. Another thing that you can also do is replace or add more powerful fan that will give, for example, 10,000 RPMs. So these are 7,200 RPMs. You can get something like 10,000, and that will chill or that will cool the laser diode much better. So, and this is a 10-watt laser that we got at the end. So I also glued another heatsink here, and looks also nice, technologically advanced, and we have very good heat distribution. So that's just a very easy life hack how you can improve your laser with a few steps. Just glue, cut heatsink and glue to your existing one, and you can also replace fans.